Hi guys, on this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use a hydrogen inhalation machine to make hydrogen rich water. So some people buy water ionizers to get hydrogen rich water, which is great, but if you've just got this machine and you haven't got an ionizer and you want hydrogen rich water with a really strong negative ORP, this is how you infuse water with hydrogen. Super simple. Turn it on. We don't need a really high output of hydrogen, but any reading is fine. So if you've got an older machine and it's just set at around 420 470 amount of hydrogen per minute coming out, that's fine. But on this machine we've got it set at 180. You can see there's lots of hydrogen bubbles coming out. And we've got a diffuser stone on the end of 0.5 microns, and we simply let it sit in there for about 5-7 minutes so the water is really saturated with hydrogen, and we drink the water as soon as possible, because as you know, hydrogen is the smallest, lightest molecule in the universe, so it's going to hold in the water for a period of time, but it will also escape and go upstairs. So, and after you've finished, take the tube out, and I clean it with an alcohol wipe, dry it, and just put it on the side until next time. So that's hydrogen rich water. So to your good health. Amazing stuff. Right, that's the video. Alright, and have a lovely day. Alright, cheers guys, bye.